Hello guys, F1 yes fake Mario no here, and today I bring you guys another episode of Kenson Gets Grounded. Today's video is, Kenson pulls the fire alarm, gets suspended, and gets grounded. Anyways, enjoy the video guys.
Kenson, it's time to go to school.
No, I don't want to go to school. I want to stay home and play on my Xbox One.
Shut up, Kenson. You're going to school and that is final.
Okay, Dad. At school. Okay, class, we are going to do some math. Excuse me, teacher. Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Yes, Kenson. Be back in 10 minutes.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Okay, class, I think there is fire in the school. Let's go outside.
1 hour later, everyone got outside of the building, and then they got back inside of the building.
Good job, guys. You guys behaved well during the fire drill.
At the office,
I'm going to see what's on the security camera. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Oh, my flipping God. It was Kenson who pulled the fire alarm. That's it. I will bring him to my office right now. Kenson, please report to the office immediately. Kenson, did you pull the fire alarm? Tell me the truth right now. Yes, I did. Oh, my flipping God. Kenson, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. I'm calling your dad.
hello. This is Harold speaking. Who's this?
Hello, Harold. This is Mr. Dame. Your son pulled the fire alarm. I'm suspending him for 3 days. Can you please come and pick him up?
Oh my flipping God. Okay, I'm on my way.
Your dad is on his way. A few minutes later. Thank you, Harold, for coming. Your son will be suspended for 3 days for pulling the fire alarm.
Kenson, let's go home right now.
At home. 918,496,780,222.
Oh, my flipping God. Kenson, how dare you get suspended for 3 days for pulling the fire alarm? That's it. You are grounded for 3 days. There will be no video games or iPad for 3 days. Get the F to your room, now.